During the winter, in China's Heilongjiang province, it is not uncommon to see temperatures below -30 degrees Celsius. Despite the intense cold, flowers still find a way to bloom. In the right place, with the right conditions, these flowers spread across the tops of the trees. Every year, Kerbin enjoys a flower season of up to 4 months. This amazing ice flower spectacle can be experienced from December to March each year. Ice flowers are officially known as rime. In extremely cold weather, the nearby hydropower station continuously discharges hot water. The water vapor evaporates from the surface of the water, forming a dreamy, drifting white mist. Much of the water vapor turns into ice at night as temperatures drop, which then settles on the tree branches, creating this fantastical sight. As you walk beneath the trees covered with rime, sometimes you can hear the sound of ice crystals growing and then falling. The rime absorbs all the sounds around, creating a tranquil fairy tale world.